Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Webflow member area with authentication, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download a Webflow member area with authentication, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project dashboard where your member area is located. Open the specific project that contains the member area you want to download. Go to the Settings tab found in the left sidebar. Select the Integrations tab from the submenu at the top. Locate the API Access section to find your API key. Generate an API key if you don't already have one. Copy the API key for future use. Next, open your preferred code editor. Create a new JavaScript file to handle the download process. Import the necessary libraries for making HTTP requests, such as Axios. Set up your authentication details using the API key you copied earlier. Define the endpoint for the member area you want to download. Use Axios to create a GET request to this endpoint, including the API key in the headers. Handle the response to ensure it retrieves the member area data successfully. Check for any error responses to manage authentication issues. Once the data is retrieved, parse the response to extract the relevant member area details. Prepare the data for download in your desired format, such as JSON or CSV. Use a file generation library to create a downloadable file. Prompt the user to download the file with the member area data. Test the download process to ensure everything works as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. You should now have a functional setup to download your Webflow member area with authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.